Hello everyone, this is a step-by-step guide on how to open the Motorola Moto G Play 2023 mobile phone. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray and begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, create a small gap near the SIM slot or charging port using a picker or car pry tool. Slide the tool around the edges to carefully release the plastic clip securing the frame. This process will take time. Next, hold the fingerprint button and carefully lift the back cover. There is some adhesive near the camera flash area. Apply some heat to soften it. This will make removing the back cover much easier from the top position. Next, gently pull the back cover and remove the board frame by undoing 11 screws. Next, disconnect the battery connector from the logic board.